I hate it. I only have to fill one bowl now. I miss that guy. Tell you what, isn't it amazing how it isn't really that hot right now? It's just humid. So I'm sweating like a dog, man. It's just humidity just is like a wet blanket on everything. Ew. Well, I've been gone for a week on vacation, and I get back to a little bit of changes. These guys, these young chicks, have left the coop and have left the run. They have actually been out in this area here, and they're still hanging. They're still together, the three of them. I think I had, at one point in time, 8 chicks, but the coons and possum got them, all that stuff. Oh, look at that. I found an egg. They've been laying some eggs under this chair. You crazy chickens. Anyway, things look a lot more grown over in just a week. Can you believe it? Like, look at this chicken run. Look at that thing. It is just totally overgrown. You can't even, that's why I came back and I couldn't find the chicks. And I'm like, where are they? They were in that stuff, man. And it's just enormous weeds grow immediately. How you guys doing in there, huh? You want to come out? Huh? You're welcome to come out. Well, I got someone behind me trying to get my attention. This guy. She was pecking on my leg, saying, you know, welcome back. I love these animals. So one of the things that happens when you go on vacation, you come back and you find out some of the food didn't really last that well. So I have a lot of food to give the pigs and chickens. Some old pizza, some grapes, lettuce, broccoli. I also got some eggs. I'm gonna give a couple here. Here you go. Oh, it didn't break at all. Come on, there you go. There you go, good job. Here's another one. Oh, that one broke. Lap it up. There you go. Anyway, I'm gonna give them all kind of food here. Look, the young chicks came out. At least those two. That Guinea and that buff Orpington. They're still kind of skittish. I don't know, they were raised a little differently than the other ones. We didn't hold them all the time. Oh, there's the other one. That's that Easter egger. Cool. Loving it. All right, I gotta go in here, so don't get too scared. So I apologize for all the machinery noise, heavy machinery noise, but my neighbor is building a disc golf course right next to me. I mean, it butts up right up to my pig's pen. In fact, they had some people the other day playing, and they stopped and got out of their golf cart and took pictures of the pigs. They are celebrities, aren't you guys? How you guys doing, huh? Man, look at that mud pie you made there. Oh yeah. Oh, another fence climber. I see how it is. How are you, huh? How are you, huh? Hey. All right, I'm gonna feed them some stuff. All right, let's see if I can drop some grapes in their mouth. Might be kind of dangerous, but let's try it. Come on over here. Get up on the steps here, dudes. You're up there already? Open up. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You got another one. Come on up. Come on up. There you go. A little bit more. There you go. Oh, almost. There you go. There you go. Who said you can't be trained, huh? Hey, you gotta keep your mouth open though. I gotta time it so it goes right in there. Okay. All right. Here, you guys have some grapes. Got some old pizza. Hey, you want this in your mouth? You missed it. All right, time to throw some food out to the girls. Lettuce. Oh, I missed their whole pen on that one. That wasn't cool. Anyway, hardly anything goes to waste on this farm because I got animals that'll eat anything. It's pretty cool. I don't know if you remember when I had turkeys, for a short period of time, they were raised in this area here that's overgrown. I don't know if you can see it there. Then I let the pigs in. It's right here. And whenever I had a lot more pigs, they ate that down almost to the dirt. It was really bare. So I decided to close it off, let it grow back up for the pigs. Well, the pigs have this area and another area across the way that have plenty of grass. You can see the grass in here. It's nice. So they have plenty of grazing grass, and I don't need to open this up to them. But I do have animals that love browsing the higher weeds, and those are the goats. So I'm going to open this up to them today so they can go in here and just have fun, because they love this high stuff. That's what they live for, really. They don't like to, graze on the grass. They browse on the high stuff. They're in there now, browsing on the higher weeds in there, but this stuff is a lot higher. They're gonna dig that. So I'm gonna go in there now and open this door right there, that gate, and they will have access to it and go to town. Hey, good. All right, I was able to get that gate open. It was right here. Now it's open up all the way against the fence right here, so they can get all in here and enjoy all this stuff. Yeah, baby, they love it. See, one of the things I have to deal with, which isn't bad, but you see these waters, the one on the left and one on the right. I filled them up at exactly the same time. This one came and drank out of that one. It's instantly muddy. It was clear like that. So the new birds are actually beginning to integrate with the older birds. The new birds there are on the left up there, but the new birds are hanging around them. There's the Guinea. They're all sort of starting to learn about each other and say, hey, you guys are all right. My master plan is working. Hey, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to continue being a part of all the adventures and stories that happen on Rubber Soul Farm. I hope we can spend more time together on the farm. But until then, enjoy your animals and take care of yourselves.